Hello, you beautiful 99ers. I hope you're having a wonderful day so far. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I am Sway to the 99, and I feel like it's been forever since I did a cooking video, and I do apologize. Working from home has been a little crazy. I figured, working from home would be a lot easier so I could be pumping out videos, but unfortunately that is not the case. So I do apologize that I haven't been posting as regularly as I'd hope. But anyway, I am back today, so I hope you all having a wonderful day. And a quick shout out to Bobby Woods. Bobby, this video is for you. I know you've all been waiting for my hummus video, and that's what we're doing today. So I hope you guys sit back, enjoy, and watch me eat some food. So with that, let's get started. So here are the main ingredients we'll be using for today's hummus. As you guys can see, this is a really simple recipe. And don't worry, I will be listing all the measurements in the description box so you guys can kind of follow along and do as needed. And also one thing I am going to be doing as well is these broccoli medley from Green Giant that I found at the 99-cent only store. I figured it'd be a nice little treat to dip my hummus in. So I'm going to prep this first because that obviously will take about 20 minutes to cook. And then after that, I'll continue on making the hummus. So you guys can see this is going to be a really simple yet very delicious item to make. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And the first thing I'm going to do is wash out my veggies. I know these are pre-bagged, so you don't necessarily need to wash them, but I just like to be, give them that little extra attention and rinse out any leftover residue they may have from the packaging. Again, just gives it a nice little fresh bath before we cover them in virgin olive oil. There we go. And I think they're pretty much ready to go. All right, so next we are going to just literally lay out all of our veggies into the baking sheet. And there we go. We're gonna put a little bit of olive oil, or a lot, whichever you prefer. I personally like my olive oil, so I am usually pretty generous with it. There we go. And then put on my favorite pink Himalayan pink sea salt. Himalayan pink sea salt. I don't know why I always have a hard time saying that word. And this actually can be found at both the Dollar Tree and the 99-cent only store. So it is definitely one of my favorite items to have, or to use rather, because with this type of salt, you don't need a lot. You just literally need to sprinkle on just a little bit, and it gives it that flavor that you want in your veggies. So yeah, and then sprinkle on just a little bit of black pepper. At least this is what I like to do. Go. And you know what? I think I'm just going to go a little crazy today and throw in just a little bit of garlic just to top it off. Because this is the pre-chopped garlic. Obviously, I'm just going to put it in between, and then once it's all done, I'll mix all of the veggies together so they all get that nice garlic flavor in their on them rather. So all right, I think that is perfect, and these are ready to go into the oven. So these are gonna go in the oven for about 20 minutes at 400 degrees. So in 20 minutes, these should be ready, which will give me enough time to finish prepping the hummus and get everything nice and complete. So while our veggies are cooking, I am going to actually start prepping the items for the hummus. And what I'm actually using is the garbanzo beans from the 99-cent only store. You can also do your own homemade, where you just buy the actual dry beans and soak them overnight. But if this is kind of an easier way to do it, and you basically get the same result, I'm just trying to show you guys an easy way to do this one if you are kind of in a rush, or if you need to get together something for dinner for the kids in the family. This will definitely save you a lot more time. And one thing you can do also, if you want to make this extra smooth, is to individually take off all the skins on the chickpeas. But if you don't have that kind of time, you can just leave it in there and it'll still be okay. But just note that removing the skin will definitely make this a lot smoother. So I'm just going to take it off from as many as I can, but I'll probably just leave some in here. But again, just want to let you guys know that that is something to consider if you are wanting to make this a lot smoother. Eventually it will all taste the same. It just helps with the texture. So it's really up to you guys what works best for you. All right, so the next thing I'm gonna do is prep all of my ingredients are gonna go into the blender with the chickpeas to make my hummus. There we go. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh, there we go. And the one thing I really do like this little gadget. I purchased this at the 99-cent only store. I'm just gonna move it so you guys can see it better. And honestly, it's been with me, what, 2 years or so since I pretty much started doing my cooking videos, and I absolutely love it. It is great. It definitely gets all the juice out. So if you guys happen to see these at your local 99, definitely pick one up. Definitely a good investment to have in your kitchen arsenal. All right, let's get the fun started. So we're gonna put in all of our chickpeas into the blender, or at least most that won't escape. Next, put in our lemon juice, or if you have limes, that also works. Here we go. We're also gonna do 2 tablespoons of plain water. And yes, these are the measuring cups from the Dollar Tree, the Betty Crocker ones. They work perfectly. Here we go. Then we're gonna do let me get in the way. Next, we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. And if you guys are big olive oil fans, don't worry, I will top it off at the very end with a little extra splash. There we go. And for traditional hummus, you can use tahini. I just don't have any right now, but it doesn't necessarily change the flavoring. It's just for personal preference. And then we're gonna do half a teaspoon of salt. Get my little Himalayan pink sea salt. There we go. Next, we're going to put 3/4 teaspoon of cumin. And this you can actually purchase at your local grocery store in the Hispanic food section. There we go. I think that should be enough. There we go. And then we're going to add a little bit of paprika, and this will be obviously to taste. Just to give it a little bit of color and obviously flavor. So I'm not gonna go too crazy, or maybe I will. All right, I think that is do a little more. There we go. All right, I think that is enough. And lastly but not least, one of my favorite ingredients, garlic. And with garlic, you can pretty much put as much as you'd like, whatever you feel is best for you. I personally love garlic, so it definitely never go wrong with garlic, at least for me. So, all right, so next is just the fun part, which is blending. All right, let's get this going. All right, so this is what it's looking like right now. I think I'm gonna add just a little bit more olive oil so it doesn't dry up. There we go. And I think I'm gonna also add just a little bit more of lemon juice to balance out the olive oil. And this time I'm just gonna, there we go. And I'll take that seed out in a moment. Perfect. I gotta show you guys what it looks like in there. You guys can see it's looking scrumptious. I don't think I've used that word in a while, so I'm definitely that's gonna be my new word, is scrumptious. All right, let's wrap this up and pretty much get to the very end, which will be the taste test. All right, so the moment of truth. Let's look at this beauty. You guys, this smells amazing. I know I always say that in every cooking video. But if it smelled bad, I would be like, you guys, this smells Ooh, perfect timing. The veggies are done. All right, so now we're just gonna scoop it up, scoop it out, and pour it into our bowl. You guys can adjust myself. There we go. You guys can see what I'm doing. I'm simply scooping it out with my nice little mixing spoon that I got for Christmas from a really good friend, and it does have the S on it for sway. So you guys, I feel so loved and appreciated by every single one of you. So I hope you're all having a wonderful day, week, night, whatever time you're watching this video, maybe 5 years from now. There we go. I just want to make sure I get everything out because this stuff smells really good and I don't want to waste any of it. And I hope you guys could, I wish you could all join me for a nice little snack. All right, I think I pretty much have scooped out any any little bit that would be in there. So next part is just literally going to swirl it around, give it a nice little look, give it a nice hummusy look, like as you would see in the store. And you also want to put a nice little dent in between in the middle, where you'll kind of drop in your olive oil and additional seasoning that you may prefer. So I'm just going to continue mixing this for a moment and bring you guys right back. I'm so excited. I'm getting to the very end. There we go. Just drizzle on a little bit of olive oil. This is the fun part where we're literally just decorating it. So I make sure I spread that out a little bit. There we go. Perfect. I am going to add a little bit of parsley. That's just my personal preference. Not too much. Again, you just want to kind of decorate it. And then lightly coat it with a little bit of cayenne pepper to give it that nice little tone. There we go. You guys, this looks so beautiful. Oh my God, I'm so I love when I'm making a cooking video and I get so hyped with my own cooking. But as you guys can see, look how beautiful this is. And you guys saw how easy it was to make. So I really hope you guys try this one at home. So let me finish getting the veggies out and I'll bring you guys right back. So the veggies are nice and steamed and seasoned. I'm just simply moving them around so that garlic that I kind of put in between some of the veggies gets all mixed into all of the different ones. So I think this is pretty much ready to throw onto the plate. And yes, I am using my favorite plate, this farmhouse type of plate that I found at the 99 cents only store, I think last summer. So, all right, with that, let's get these onto the plate and get this dish finalized and let you guys know the final verdict of how amazing I am. Just kidding. Out to see how good this dish came out. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you are new, definitely hit the subscribe button, as I do try to post a cooking video every once a week. And I also do Dollar Tree and 99 cent only store walkthroughs. So I hope you guys and stick around with me. Leave me a comment because I love to interact with you guys in the comment section. And yeah, so if you guys enjoy walkthroughs, I am definitely your guy. All right, so here is the final product. I hope you guys can enjoy this beauty as I am about to devour it. And it looks so delicious. And this is definitely going to be a really nice treat for me today. I'm already my mouth is already watering. I can't wait to try it. So I hope you guys stick around and find out what the final verdict is. So with that, let's do the taste test. All right, so for the moment of truth to see how good this came out. So can't wait to try it. I got a little bit of that. Oh my God, I'm so excited, you guys. Oh my God. It tastes literally just like you would find at a restaurant, except it is a third, maybe even less than that, of the price. Let's see. This cost me, with the veggies, it cost me about less than $4. And that's including, well, technically $3 if we're not including any of the condiments. So, yeah, this came out really good. I can't wait to finish it and devour it later. I obviously can eat it all right now, but we'll definitely save some for later while I snack on the veggies. So we'll bring you guys right back. All right, guys, that is today's cooking video. I hope you enjoyed it. Before you click out, as a quick reminder, I did draw the winner for my 99-cent only store. Well, actually, my April giveaway. I did it in my 99-cent only store video. So if you guys haven't already checked the video out, please do so because the winner has not yet claimed their prize. So I'm hoping that if you are watching this, you might be the winner. So definitely go check it out. And if the winner doesn't claim their prize by Friday, I will be drawing a new winner on Saturday. So definitely make sure you come back to see my Saturday store walkthrough. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Have a great evening. And as always, don't forget to do the 99.